And if you take a walk alone, walking straight, you know how many cheers and boos you're gonna get? Yes. Yes. How many cheers and boos you're gonna get? Yes. It's completely different life over here.
Yeah, but thank you for informing me, but my wife had told me you have to be.
I am surprised that she left you alone over here, but she said, okay, no problem, you go.
But she knows that I said no.
Yeah.
We know each other, so.
That's it, yeah.
But I like city walking with
Yeah,
people.
yeah. Me too. I just,
It makes your eyes more clear, huh?
I have something to watch. The hotel room is so boring.
yes.
Yeah, it is.
Yes. Hotel room is boring. When you go back to your country, it's work. You have to work. It's boring again in a way. You know? Now over here, this eye candy is good for the eyes, you know? Eyesight gets like this.
For male, it's so much to watch, you know.
Yeah, it is.
A watch, no touch.
Yes. Does your Saba know you are here?
Yes. She's coming when she finishes.
She knows this place.
I will live in Candy Palace. It's over
Oh
there.
yeah, I know. Yeah, we were next to the hotel next to Prime Asia. Yeah, Candy Palace. Yeah.
It's a really good hotel. Very beautiful inside.
Yeah, I heard.
Very fresh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Candy Palace, I heard is good. Yeah. But right now she knows that you were at this bar.
Yeah.
Does she know?
We sat her yesterday
Oh, okay. Yeah.
drinking, so she knows the
She knows where to come. Good.
Oh, she's from here or just?
My wife is from San Paulo, Antipolo Street, Manila,
Manila. I see.
and some part of Pangasinan.
She's the Pampanga.
Her father is in Pangasinan, another live in Novaliches, close to SM Fairview.
Oh, I see. Yeah, and we know this place.
So your wife, she likes Sweden because of the cold weather. That she really
She doesn't like cold weather,
very cold over there. Yeah.
but
She manages.
anyway, we have a better life there.
Oh yeah, 100%. Life of
If I hate something with Philippines, is the traffic.
traffic and poverty. Every day they
Yes, but I don't like. And it gets dark already 6 o'clock p.m.
It's what?
It gets dark so early. In Sweden in summer it gets dark 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock even, I know. In England, same thing, summertime when they do, even 9 p.m. is still kind of bright outside. Yeah, I know. Over here it's going to get dark. About 16 years it starts getting dark.
But I like it's not getting cool. It's always mainit.
Hot, mainit.
I'm waiting for my coffee.
Oh, you want a coffee? Yeah.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Oh, you're good man then.
No beer?
Yeah, we drank yesterday.
Yeah.
So maybe I take you.
Get a break today.
Yeah.
When I sat there yesterday, the girl here, she's sitting outside, she was here, there too. I saw her. When I walked in, she asked if she can go with me.
Yes.
I said no.
Yeah, they will right away. Same thing with me. I was walking alone. Right here, the girl. Where are you going? I come with you? I'm like, no, you're not coming with me. Right away. It's like, no question like how much money or do you want company or do you want that? No conversation. I come with you. Right away, like, you know? Like I know her and I come with you. You know, I have a lady. That's how they are over here. Ini, Dennis, take it easy. You can drink later.
Yeah. Kahi ka na? He asked me water. I said, you can ask water from this.
Something else?
Yeah.
Yung ginong dito, wala akong basurahan.
Ay, wala ka.
Ano yan?
Line.
Sila kung kanila. Kunti na marami. Laki ng bibig yun, no?
No. It's okay. I was bored sitting here, so I came on. I'm going to walk. Yeah, I like to walk.
Me too.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Live. YouTube.
You're taping yourself, recording yourself.
No, I'm recording them.
Recording the people walking by. She's a blogger, so she's going to put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
So she's sitting here with a mission. That's why I get bored. I'm like, how long am I gonna sit here? But she's on a mission, so she don't mind sitting here.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the like, guys. Do you want to see the action?
It's nice to see. Nice, but
Yeah.
it's different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala kang pinto, wala akong pera. Nakikita ba? Hindi.
Oo. Di katawan mo lang.
Ah.
Sometimes when you see again, you cannot. You don't want to see. Sige, ikot-ikot lang.
My wife, she is, you know, view Tagalog.
Yeah.
She's saying, you know, puta.
Puta.
Yeah, you understand?
Yeah,
Big walking, big girls walking here.
Yeah.
she's saying, no, we have the uniform on. The uniform.
Ah,
You know, with the uniform.
puta uniform, yeah.
Yeah, you understand?
These two kinds of that puta.
No. But we have like cleavage. So I mean,
I see.
we have different clothes for do that. You know.
Ah,
Yeah, she called that uniform. My
Oh.
wife called it. Oh, we have standing there.
she always get pleased by her. I said,
It's so annoying.
I know. Sometimes I just ignore. I just say, okay, that's it. Then after, another one coming.
Yeah, it's never stopped.
Yeah. Especially when you are eating here, they're just staring at you like, come on, I cannot finish my food. And I feel embarrassed to tell them the truth. Because I'm a Filipina, they're gonna see something bad to me.
But I'm a foreigner here, but I feel sorry for them, but I can't help everyone, you know.
Yeah, of course,
Then
because there are that.
I always have to walk on the street.
Yeah. Even my boyfriend, he gave something, then after a few minutes, another one comes. Then you cannot give everybody.
I have done that. I have to give someone, and then
Yeah, they do that because they're watching one person, and as long as you give, they're gonna find out and they will come to you. Then they find out that, oh, this guy is giving. So let's go. Let's attack him.
yes, it's attack right. What you drinking?
It's it's man off, yeah.
It's good, masarap.
Yeah, matamis. It's not too much alcohol. It's not bitter.
You know, they're selling, Viagra.
Viagra? Yeah.
They're selling it on the street here.
Yeah, they always does. And you know,
It's so annoying.
I know. Every time you walk around, this one guy always keeps selling to him. And he said no. Then another one said, how about this? And then after the other corner, another one selling. It's just annoying. You just, ignore them. Because that's how they make living.
I understand that. They want to make living, I understand that. But when you're tourist, it's too much.
And it's not even real. It's a fake one. You sell fake one, and they sell it to you high price.
Look at us. Five blocks.
Lakad ko na naman maglakad. Naiinip siya. That lady trying to sell yesterday that flower. She with the one, so we just gave her 100. And then the same time I asked her, how old are you? She said she's 20 years old and she has 4 kids. 4 kids taking care of.
But that I don't understand. Why do you have kids when you don't have money?
I know. That's the Filipino
It's
thing.
stupid. It's stupid.
Yeah, it is. And she has she's homeless. No house. She's just living whatever street here.
So that I can't understand. Why do you have
That's the
that when you
Filipino
don't have
thing.
money?
Even my parents, they have 12 kids. You mean 12 kids?
Your parents.
Yeah. So they can't even afford to
So you
send
have
my
11
siblings.
brothers and sisters.
Yeah, I do. I'm a third one.
But where do your parents still alive?
Yeah. In Mindanao.
Live in the now?
Yeah.
But it has been good for you. It has been good for you in life. You have been okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My father is a fisherman. My mother is a housewife.
But I think you have to fight. I understand people here selling things, they're fighting, but sometimes I can see it's no future here.
It is, but some of them no choice, Especially if you don't finish your study, and even if you don't, even if you finish your study, it's hard to find a job here.
It is.
It is. That's why sometimes of the Filipino they need to go abroad to find a job.
There's many Filipinos in Sweden, Filipinas in Sweden.
Yeah, because job there is better than here.
Yeah.
You need to go abroad. You cannot buy job here. You cannot buy house. You cannot buy anything. It's just for daily life. You can just buy food. That's all. But future, no, it's hard.
But I think it's because it's so crowded here. It's too many people.
Yeah, population is too much.
It's too many people. It's not good for everyone.
It is because every family is a lot of kids, a lot of they make a lot of babies. They don't think of the
We
future.
don't use protection when we.
No. Even my mother, I asked her why you don't use prescription. She said it make her dizzy every time she takes the pill, so she stopped. Even I have what you
My
call.
wife had also like that. She put it on.
I have one, and we have no plan to have, anymore.
You did it here in Philippines? Or like
Yeah, I did here, and it's free. It's free. I don't know why you don't want to do it.
it's hurting as a kid?
The first week it is hurt. I can't even touch it, but now it's okay. But if you have this, you cannot bring heavy things. You cannot use your hands to lift up heavy things.
I think my wife had the same problem. The first time she
Yeah.
is hurting.
Yeah. And it's free. You don't need to spend on this one. It's free. Just go to public hospital. They will give you this. They will put to you this.
But you live here?
Yeah, we live in Manila.
Not the vacation here?
Oh yeah, just vacation here in Angeles. Tomorrow we'll go back to Manila.
Tomorrow we go to Subic.
Oh yeah, it's nice. It's a
We
lot of
stay there
beach
for a
there.
few days and then we go back to the family again.
Ah, that's good. How about Boracay? You been Boracay?
No, I've never been on the islands.
Nice. Boracay is nice. It's more white beach than the Subic beach.
I know.
You've been there
I haven't
three
been there,
times.
but I have seen on pictures.
Yeah, we've been there 3 times. And we're planning back to this next
But
year.
can I ask you, if I fly here from can you land on Clark Airport? Could you land there instead of Manila?
Here in Angeles?
Yeah, in Clark Airport.
I think so, yeah, because it's international here.
Yeah.
You can. You can. 30.
I think it's better that you have to go through all the traffic here to
Yeah,
get here.
you come here because it's international airport here.
Where did your boyfriend go?
He's just walking. He's bored here. So I said you can keep walking because I'm not finished my life yet. Probably after 1 hour more.
I want my wife to come now. I want to finish. But I can't go because I have a car to the hotel.
Oh yeah.
If I go, I don't have a cell phone here. It's not working here.
Oh yeah, because
I
you
have a
need.
Swedish.
Oh, I see. As long as she knows where you are, so I think.
She know I'm here.
You can watch the
It's like that also. If I look at someone, they think I'm interested.
Yeah.
So if you look someone, I have to look in the head and the eyes.
Yeah.
They think I'm interested.
Yeah, I know.
It's
Even my boyfriend used to say, hi, hello. I said, to us, we think that you are interested in that. So you guys just being nice and friendly. Like,
yeah.
but for Filipina, they think that you are trying to flirt.
This.
Yeah. If you say hi, hello, of course, sige na siya, hello, we're going. Right away. They will jump to you. Especially if you are alone. You probably need more beer to wait for her.
It could take 1 hour. I don't know what she's doing. She's up there somewhere here.
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
street.
I've been to this one of this place. That's why sometimes if I do my nails, I tell him that's also kutsma for you so that you don't get bored. But he doesn't like it.
Good spot.
Yeah, kutsma.
I like to do it myself.
We have also foot massage. So while you're waiting, you can have foot massage or head massage.
It's okay.
So how's it?
Eh?
Jaywalking?
Yeah, I went all the way to the end. I went right, I went left, but nothing's happening. It's the usual girls and calling you. She didn't come back yet.
I'm still waiting.
Yes.
But she's coming.
Yeah.
Other guys have problems.
I mean, she knows where you are, then yeah.
Yeah.
Let me ask this girl how old she is.
This or the other girl with 2,000, she's sitting there drinking beer now.
Oh yeah?
She's in the line of the drinking beer.
She has
I
money.
still can't believe somebody will give you 2K just to sit with her. To sit. She's not that good looking or anything. And if she was good looking, obviously the person is going to say, come.
I think she used drugs.
Huh?
You can look at my face. She used drugs.
Yeah.
My wife told that yesterday, but you see the face is different. They're using drugs.
Ah, that's what it is? Look at this one. Yeah. Bakla.
There was another tall one. And I
Yeah.
was walking this way. Sad. I said, no. Again, I see them over there. And it's big.
Yeah.
Yeah?
They know how to dress
Yeah.
up, huh?
I mean, the big and tall is like, oh my God. Next door is a hotel, you know.
Wag na, matanaw na, matanaw na, matanaw.
Iiwan sa like
This guy, I don't know. I want a woman, I got it here. She's looking at you. The guy just walked by and I want to
I don't want to look in my head because it's.
I look just to make fun. I want to see what they're up to, you know? What they're up to. I live here, so I know how to deal with them. But yeah, when you first knew over here, it's like, my God, embarrassing, you know what I mean? Don't need to talk. But the same one just now, another guy came just now, probably know each other. How are you? They kiss each other on the cheek. Man, I want to kiss this kind of thing. Well, not kiss, you know? Kiss on the cheek, but still, I've been the same thing about like, I don't know. Walking to see if there's any caves, nothing on this side, nothing on this side. I don't see anything there. That's it. You, you don't want fried chicken, other chicken back from McDonald's, but you're not in the mood, no?
I,
No, if you're not in the mood, it's okay.
fried chicken and that.
And rice they have, huh?
The chicken only?
What else you want?
I don't feel like rice today.
Rice.
No.
Okay, then. You don't buy rice. What are you gonna eat? Chicken and what? You want to eat an order for each other. How are you gonna finish till 6? You'll be leaving tomorrow. So get me.
If you have 21 years old kids, how long you been married then?
22.
Years old, years. Wow. Long, huh?
Going to 25.
That's good.
Been married since 2001.
Here, Philippines?
Now we're married in Sweden. My wife was well better in Sweden when I met her.
She met her in Sweden. I see. She already been working there.
But
She already been working there before.
now, yeah, she's kind of working. She was her aunt living in Sweden. She was helping her with her kids.
Oh, I see.
So I met her then
That's good.
at the time. Like an au pair. Au pair. But I want her to join me now.
Yeah. She's probably coming soon now. Okay na siya. Okay na. Ah.
That's good you are educating her. That's good.
She needs to study, you know?
That's why I said good. You understand the meaning of education.
Yeah.
How old are you? How old are you? So cute. How old are you?
Ganda na daw
Eh?
siya.
Oh, you 10 years old? Oh, she's small. But
Buti,
she's,
makaintindi din siya, no?
she's 10 years old.
Kasi I'm small too.
Eh?
Kasi I'm small too.
Yeah. This is not the American father. No, this is not with the American father.
Yung
That's the
American
boy.
mo daw na anak. Di ba yung
That's the
9,
boy.
mag 2 years old, yun ba yun? Hindi.
Hindi, adopted ko yung 1 month, 1 year, 1 month. Ano yun? Yung 5 years old, magsi 6 years old sa January.
Yun yung American. Ha?
Right.
Going to 6 years old, half American child.
That's a
She
boy, I
has
think.
Half American. And the father live here and the wife. No.
That's what she said. That is American father. He made a child, and that's it. He don't want to know.
Never married to you.
Huh?
Tinatanggap mo. Hindi.
Hmm?
Siyempre dito lang ako ibang kapatid.
Dito sasama sa akin.
Ano sa
Siyempre, mamimiss kita.
Ang drama mo naman.
Oo naman. Ikaw kaya pumunta ng US nang hindi mo kasama yung magulang mo. Tingin mo masaya ka? Hindi.
Somebody must be supporting you. She has nice shoes on, nice girl, nicely clean dressed out. That's very good as a mother. You're taking care of. Somebody must be doing something. Like, you know?
Ganda daw inalagaan yung anak mo. Binila ng mga
Siyempre wala man nang mag-aalaga dyan sa mga yun. Pag ibigay ko yan sa tatay nila, mapapabayaan lang mga hindi mo makakapag-aral.
Ay, doon
Oo.
ko.
Ba't yung tatay niya? Andito ba?
Nasa Angeles, may asawa ng iba yung tatay niya.
Ba't hindi ba ito ang hilis? Di ba ang hilis dito?
Bali bago to.
Report ng ano?
Part pa din siya ng Angeles.
Ah.
Sa Santa Teresita naman yung papa niya.
Mag-gusto
So, wala silang suporta?
Wala makwenta yung mga tatay ng mga yun.
May kwenta ako. Hindi tatay ko wala.
Joke lang yan. Biro lang yun. Pinakatutok mo dyan, tingnan mo yung mukha mo.
Oo nga, kitang-kita ka sa mo ano.
Medyo.
Oh, light.
Alam mo, sobrang tumal naman yung talaga.
Sobrang dumal nga. Wala mga masyadong
Alam
tao.
mo, 3 days na akong kung ganyan.
Kinis ka ng walang pinta.
Meron naman din sa kanang pamilya pagkain.
Kasi ano, ay October, di ba? Pag mga ganyang ano, di ba?
Dapat nga magbili niya.
October ba?
Ano
Ano kung mga tumal
ako?
pa ganito?
Pumunta ka na doon. Pero mabili na ako. Titinda muna ako.
Sige, nakalakad ka naman.
It's older than you, Jaden.
Hoy! Kain ka more! Ano?
Nakabili ka na. Ano yan?
Saan kasama mo ate?
Naglakad-lakad.
Sampo man.
Ano yan? Ah,
Kasama na yun?
Pero mo,
ah. Natapos din.
Hindi na ako nagpa-cutics eh.
Ah,
Kasi baka mas yan nakasapatos din ako. Talong kinalap mo. Boots pa.
okay,
Manicure.
mamaya.
O pedicure. Tapos ito long kid.
ah,
Kaya matagal kasi nagpa-boots pa.
kaya pala. Ba't di ka nagpa-cutics mo?
Kasi papasok din naman ako bawal sa trabaho.
Ah, nagpagawa din ako dyan eh. Jill, mura lang dyan. 250 lang. Sa sa may 69.
Hindi ko alam kung saan nakita ko lang yung available to lang. Pero walang tao pumasok lang.
Dito ako sa may 69 salon. Mura lang sila.
Yung Makano.
Ay, sa Manila, ang gel polish 500 kaya. Diyan, 250 lang yung ginanong ko. Kaya pagawa na ako.
Kami bawal na suba.
Dahil kasi pag gel, hindi matatanggal. Mahirap.
Tsaka pagpasok ko, dahil hindi tatanggalin ko na parang nasanay na rin ako wala. Tsaka yung mahaba.
Ay, sanay ka na din. Nakakainis lang din magpahaba. Yung photo din naman.
Ang bawal sa amin yung mahaba.
Ah, pala pupunta pa daw kayo sa ano, sa Subic. Ano pa daw kayo?
Pagbukas. Relax lang naman yung bakasyon kayo. Pagpasok ko tatanggal.
Oo, matatanggal nga lang. Mabilis lang matanggal.
Tapos yung utis dito mabilis matanggal.
Oo nga, bakit kaya? Matagal
Pagka
na kasi.
natuyo, mas matagal mabilis matanggal.
Oo. Ayaw nga sa ako, niloko niya ako eh. Sabi niya, magpaano ka eh. After 2 days, mawala din naman yan. Naglakad-lakad nga siya, naglakad-lakad. Nainip din siya dito. Kasi nag-live ako. YouTube. Gusto kasi nila maano to eh. Itong view.
First time lang din namin dito.
Kami pangalawang beses namin dito.
Pero yung tita ko, every time na umuwi, nagpupunta dito.
Ah.
And na-curious ako, anong meron dito.
Maganda lang po lalaki eh.
Alam ko lang.
Matutumboy ka dito eh.
Alam ko lang. Pero at least experience.
Oo. Napunta na kayo doon sa gitna. Grabe no?
Pero hindi ako ganong pumasok kasi sinilip ko lang. Dati kasi
Hindi din kami pumasok, lakalangan sa gitna.
sinilip ko lang lang. Nasigaw ka hapon.
Walang inom kayo dalawa.
Dito.
Dito din kayo? Baliktad kami kasi mostly everyday andito ako, nagla-live. Pero last night, andun kami sa gitna.
Ako dito kahapon.
Doon ako
Kaya
nag-live.
Margarita. Nasa huli yung tama.
Pati lang Margarita ba inom mo? Hindi naman masyado matapang Margarita
Hindi, pero
dito.
yung huli na yata. Yung pangalawa ko.
Mabilis kasi malasing. Kaya,
Hindi na kasi kung
pag matagal talaga eh. Matagal hindi ka na inom ko yun.
pagdating ko doon, sabi ko, nanginginig yung tuhod ko na tayo.
Baka magapang ka na pawin.
Ayoko na. Parang manhid ka na, gano'n.
This is the wife. This is the wife.
Ay,
Oh, you made it.
masaya.
Made it. I was telling him, go get bored. Let's go for a walk. He was like, no, my father is like this. I'm a good man. I said, me too, bro. This is my Osama. No problem. She let me go. But I can only go for 10 minutes at night.
No, because I have the time. I have that. I know where you go.
Yeah, no longer.
She watched the clock, you know.
Yeah, I can only go like 10-15 minutes and it's like. After that, I got to report her. So you live in Sweden?
Yes, I did live in Sweden.
You love it? Like it?
like
It's a beautiful country, but you okay? You're just everything?
Yes, I lived there 22 years.
Yeah, you told me. Very nice, very nice. Lovely. Very good. So your nails done? Eating?
No, I don't
Eating
want
too?
I don't want the cutics.
Oh, she loves cute people. Pulling.
Because it's not good for my wall.
What do you do? What kind of work?
Like, home for the hair. Home for the
Retirement.
retirement home. So I'm not,
So you had a
not allowed.
caretaker retirement
Yes.
now?
She worked with, she helped older people.
Old people go.
Like a
Yeah.
caregiver, but more than a caregiver.
Kaya hindi
So
allowed.
they don't allow you, yeah, long nails or anything like that, yeah.
Just useless.
So you don't get
Even if I take the regular, after 2 days, wala na.
yeah, hard. 2-3 days it lasts and that's it.
I know.
Yeah.
But I don't know why the cutics here is not good one.
Yes, I agree with you. But that's why it's so cheap. They use some China-made product, of course. I know. You're right. Yeah. Yeah, but look what you're paying over here. It's so cheap. A lot of places only 100 peso for manicure, 90 peso, 100 peso. Well, it's gone up to 120, 120.
That's
What is
not
120?
manicure.
That's like what, $2 and something.
Yeah.
In America, it could be $30 for the same thing.
Oh, $30?
Yes, maybe more. Yes. I used to run a salon. The gel used to be 30 something pounds.
But that is gel.
No. Yeah, I'm talking about no. Gel used to be 30 something pounds we used to
In
charge.
my country, it's more than 500 to 500 crowns is middle.
It's like $50.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You're not gonna find.
Just only with gel.
I mean,
Just one.
you have to imagine that the minimum wage is $15 an hour in America. How they gonna make the boss gonna make it? You're gonna pay. The customer is gonna pay for that. So of course, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I know $35, $40 easy. I told you my daughter went nails and everything, like sweat and this. $100 she spent, more than $100 she spent just for this. Of course. That's why, when people say, oh, I make this much an hour, and then they compare, there is no comparison. What you pay over there, you cannot live with what, they tell you over here. Oh, you're going to make this much an hour, 1,000 pesos an hour. You know what I'm saying? Come over here, work in the fields, do this, and they get excited, You cannot live, you cannot pay your rent, unless you live like Filipinos, 6 people in one room, Yeah, and I know Sweden also is not allowed. Europe does not allow you having 5 people in one room. Exactly. Over here, there's no law. As many no law. Push as many people in one room. So, okay, they can afford to kind of survive. Let's put it that way. It's not living. Right? One bathroom and 10 people use it out. But unfortunately, the government does not help you. Filipinos, they don't want to do anything. I mean, imagine in Manila, the minimum wage is roughly $10 a day. A day, not an hour, a day, and that day could be like 12 hours a day or whatever. How can you really live on $10 or 500 pesos in this country?
Not healthy anyway.
You cannot, that's what I'm saying, but they don't want to do anything. That's why foreigners who come here, we live like a king here. Simple.
That's true.
Simple. Otherwise, why would they want us, right? I openly say that. Why will a sexy woman like this want a man like me? Because they are.
I hope. Where's their money now?
He already took a big camel on you and he took you to Sweden.
I give you all my
No,
money.
I've come to Sweden and I've been here. I'm not
They met in Sweden.
I was
It's
going to
a
ask him how you met.
difference.
Oh, you were in Sweden already?
Yes.
I thought I was going to ask you how you met. I thought maybe you came here and you went to...
It's our first time here.
No, first time here in Angeles.
Yes.
He's been here already for a few times.
5 times when I come to Sweden and
Right. You come to see your family, of course.
I've been here.
Nasyak na ako, sabi ko, how many kids? 1. 21 ko. Ilang taon na ba yun? I asked him how many kids. He said 1.
Yeah.
I'm 21 years old. How old are you?
Yeah.
Because he doesn't look like it.
Oh, yeah, even you look like 40 plus. I don't know how old you are. Look like 43, 44. Huh?
42.
Yeah, I say look like 43, 44.
Hindi na nasundan.
And if she was in Philippines, she would have 6 kids already.
No, oh my God.
In Philippines.
No. I have planned to my life actually.
Yeah.
I said, when I'm 20, I get married.
Yeah.
When I'm 21 or like 20, I get 1 kid. It's enough.
So you can say I saved for life.
Yeah. You say, of course you did.
She has also the same one I have. She
Yeah,
has
what?
also.
Oh, she?
Yung kadente
We
ba?
See?
also have to.
Yeah.
No, they do this over there also in Sweden.
Yes.
Meron din ako eh.
So you know you are safe for at least 3 years at a stretch.
So now it's done.
What do you mean?
I take it out.
Oh, you took it out. Be careful, man. Unless you
But be
plan.
careful.
No, not anymore, kids.
Yes.
I'm too old now.
Not only that, it's not
I want
easy
to
to raise
have my
kids in
spare
those.
time. I want to travel.
Yes, I
Now
say
it's
the
our
same thing.
time.
Yeah,
Ready?
enjoy lang.
I say the same thing. I have 2 kids, grown up already. My daughter is 33 years old.
In the United States.
Correct. Indiana University in USA. She has 1 son, he's 30 years old. In the beginning, she used to, are we ever going to make a baby? Are we ever going to stop bothering me because I call it simple. No marriage, no children. No marriage also because I've already been through, who wants to go through it again?
I told you we're not gonna marry you. We separated.
Listen, He's in a place that he has no problem. So don't say anything here. Take him back to Sweden, then you challenge him. Over here. Oh, he won't take you. He won't take you in a second. He will say, go.
I told him already. But she don't want
I was walking there. Listen, I was walking in the street, just now this street, right? The two girls, because they think I'm gonna come standing here. So two girls. Hello, I said hello, then I say hello. Hello.
Yeah.
No, where are you going? You want me to come? I said, I already have a lady. Another young girl, choose me. It's like already a competition, choose me. Young girl, I think I already have lady.
I understand how it's works here.
Yeah.
It's the same in Pattaya, Thailand.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
you can have how many ladies you want.
Correct.
If you pay them, you can have how many ladies you want.
Correct. I was in Pattaya for roughly a month.
Yeah.
There are much more girls over there than here.
Mas wild sila.
It's
The whole line, strip is like,
it's much bigger
Wild sila
street.
doon.
much bigger
Kahit
street.
sa pa kayo sa isang lalaki.
But still, I mean, it's like,
Basta bayad yun.
Grabe, no?
But I'm like, how can these girls find their customers every night? There's so many lined up.
I have never been in Pattaya, but I have watched in YouTube.
Oh,
Excuse me, but it's a fucked up street.
Marami
It is, no, it is.
Yeah.
It is. But for experience, if you go there, I went there. I didn't pick any woman, but yeah, just for experience, yeah.
I don't.
Yeah, so you another younger girl with her, a little chubby. She said, oh, pick me. I said, no, I said I have lady.
My friend in at my work back home, he went to Pattaya with his wife, and he told me, I want to see it in my life before I die, So he walked away with the street, and we went into a bar, and the girls, ping pong balls from Pek.
Yeah.
They were shooting ping pong balls
Oh, the shoes,
from
you're talking about the shoes.
the shooting, the girls shooting ping pong from China.
No, those are shoes.
Oh, yeah?
Yes,
Yes.
they have those kind of shoes.
I would like to see that.
But yeah.
Pero allowed ka po.
He said it was so crazy.
Di balak
But
din namin
yeah, I heard that, but I
Huwag
sometimes
natin
wonder how
kasi.
can
Pattaya.
they,
Wildest Pattaya.
But yeah. But I
Mas
heard
wild sa, pero sa Bangkok hindi gano'ng Pattaya, yun yung pinaka...
Pattaya is the nice
But I can buy ping pong ball for you, honey.
can live.
Patay na dapat yun. Pinapapatay na. Tama lang ng babae. Hindi na.
That's how the guy is from Sweden. And he could not find anybody from
Oh,
Sweden.
kita. Nandito ako para makita. Putok kita.
Yeah. What is surprised? Yeah. Hey, you you don't miss them. Bye, keep walking. Yeah, stay healthy. What are you doing? Don't touch over here. You don't know the place to eat.